Hey guys, welcome to another Trade Genius podcast. Bob and Phil here as always. Guys, we got a doozy of a signal for you. You're not going to want to miss this one. Let's dive in.
Trade Genius.
I don't know, Bob, do you think they're ready for it?
I think they are. This is really interesting. A little humble brag here. I think you and I in the last 6 months have really been able to find some high correlation in our indicators. I think the TradeForce indicator that we showed you guys a couple times now, it's just been scary good. And we've noticed something else in our indicator. And what we try to do, Trade Genius, is that we're trying to get rid of the signal noise and just look at the signals that actually are meaningful. And we've had a signal that's called Kona. We call it Kona because Phil's from Kona. And basically looking at reversals outside and coming back inside a channel. That in and of itself should okay, I want to be alerted to that because are we going to now start to channel and trend up again? And so you want to look at that and then you evaluate that against other indicators, whether or not you take the shot. We like to use vol stop, and we like to now also paint it with the worm. But the other thing that we noticed, and this is something Phil noticed, and I said, hey Phil, why don't we combine the program? We have a sniper signal too. Sniper, one of the things that Phil and I, gosh, it's been almost 15 years now, Phil, that we did when we were trading futures on Thinkorswim. We built basically a too far, too fast indicator that looked at multiple time frames of stochastics. And when these things lined up, they gave a really good reversal signal. So put one and one together, you get a reversal sniper signal within a reasonable range of a channel reclaim, if you will, both up and down, and it becomes a really scary good, high probability multi-week trade when you're trading on the daily. So I want to throw the chart up here real quick, guys, to show you this. If you notice, we had a signal back in I believe that's in 2022 that foreshadowed a multi-week downturn in SPY. Now I'm not saying this is the only buy and sell signals. I'm just telling you it's extremely reliable. And in trading, the more reliable the signal is, the one that you want to always be searching for. And then look what happened at the first in November. We got another reversal signal, okay? And that trade has been running. I put a fib up there because I'm interested to see how far we go. We broke over the 121 fill, and it looks like maybe 491 is the next line here. A failure to me is if we break back below that recent high. But for those who are customers listening to this, we'll be updating our Kona, whoever purchases a separate purchase, we'll be updating the Kona signal here in the next couple weeks. And again, you can turn off the other Kona if you want, and just look for these high probabilities trades. Now, I didn't throw up the 5 minute and 15 minute, but I used these just to day trade on Friday, and it was scary. We had a super Kona on the 5 minute and the 15 minute that was worth, a couple $100 for a quick trade. We put an attaboy, I think, in the room yesterday. Somebody's sitting in there waiting for their wife to come out of surgery on the phone, get the signal, took the trade, walked away. That's twice as much what you'd pay for the service. So not a bad deal, Phil. What do you think? Hey, buddy, it's Bob with Trade Genius. Hey, it is holiday season, and our holiday specials are running right now. Just promo code HOLIDAY. You already blew it. You missed the Black Friday specials, but this is your second chance to take advantage of some of the best pricing that we do for the year. Check us out, tradelikeagenius.com, tradegenius.co, tradegeniusacademy.com. All roads lead to Trade Genius. Check us out. Incredible deals. Thanks for listening.
Yeah, I like it a lot. It's, again, when it comes to trading, a lot of times you're looking for confluence of things, confluence of support, confluence of, buy indication, or the technicals that are supporting a buy flow. And so that's what you have here, is you have a confluence, because each of these signals in and of themselves look for multiple things. So you've got multiples upon multiples coming together. And that's why I think these signals work and work in a big way. So there can be a lot of noise when it comes to indicators and things like that, but this one really cleans up. And if you like the less is more philosophy, that's what this does. And I think that it's going to really help you out if you're looking for signals, either for, intraday, where you could be taking just day trades like we do in the room, or if you're looking for swing trade, like all time frames, this is applicable. This is a daily chart. As you can see, it just catches monster moves, so it doesn't matter. It's just your time preference on what you want to trade and look at in terms of the charts and the time frame of the charts, but it works on everything and on all time frames. So check it out. Head over to tradegenius.co. We'll have that up soon. We'll let you guys know when it's out.
Yeah, another thing too is you can set alerts on these, so you don't have to sit there and flip charts. So if there's stocks you like to trade, you can just set this alert up in your watch list, and it'll pop up for you.
Yep.
when these treats, and when you do a daily like this, you're getting a signal for the next day.
Right.
So it's not like you have to sit at your desk and just hope this trade shows up.
Right.
When it shows up, just take the trade, set reasonable stops, trail it, and enjoy your profits.
Yeah, that's a good point, because let's say if you don't have a lot of time to sit in front of the screen all day, and maybe a 1 hour chart type of swing trade is more your jam, then you can just have a basket of your favorite stocks and just set these 1 hour alerts, and then you'll get notified. You can set it up in TradingView. It'll alert your phone, send you an email. On an hourly chart, you've got time to get back to your screen and set up your trade. So it takes a lot of the screen time out of it when you do it that way.
Yeah, because look, you trade for freedom. Phil and I are stuck out here talking to you guys all day. But for you guys, look, you trade on your phone, you get a signal, you take the trade, you set your stop, and you get on with your day. I mean, you got to love the technology, and we think we're bringing it to you guys. And, we like things very practical. I know guys tease us because we do the podcast, we're in doom zone now anyway, but we really don't care. You get a buy signal, we buy. We get a sell signal, we sell. I mean, it's as simple as that. And we want to take the emotion out of it. A long time ago, Phil, somebody said to me, do you want to be right or you want to be rich? And these signals take all the emotion out of it. All right, so anyway, guys, have a good one. This will be out fairly shortly. So thanks for listening and enjoy your week. Bye-bye.
Trade Genius.